Hello and welcome back again. We will continue to explore the block styler examples available in sample NX Open applications. So, if you don't know what is sample NX Open applications, this is one of the folder which is you will find once NX is installed in the installation root directory. So we have made a copy of this folder, and what we are doing, we are in this .NET folder of this sample NX Open applications folder. We are exploring the .NET block styler examples. Now, in this video, we will explore the whole coordinates example. So what we have to do, we have to first go to the VB file and then provide the entire file path of DLX file. So if you haven't known this, watch my previous videos. There you will find. So this is where we have changed the line of code. We have provided the entire file path for this DLX file, and then we also need to copy the DLX file. Actually, we have to copy this DLX file from C++ folder and paste it here before we change that file in a VB. Sorry, we change that file path in VB file. Okay, so let's see how we can use this journal. I'm going to play this journal. Let me check which one is this. This one it is. I will run this. This will open a custom dialog made using block styler. So what this particular block styler example do, it asks us series of information. The first is the point itself. So we can go and select the point from one of the hole. Then X direction. This is going to be the X direction. This one is Y. And yeah, so Y is going to be this one. And this is where we have to select the face. The face is selected. Then I can click on this button to get the coordinates information of holes. Selected vector should be perpendicular. Okay, so this is the validation. This is the check also included in this example. So that is pretty good. So I can go here and select X. This one is Y. This one is X. So I think it is correct now. I can click on this button now. You can see I have got the holes information, the coordinates information for the holes. There are two holes, simple hole and then simple hole 3 and simple hole 5. These are the two features that I have added in a part navigator. And X coordinate and Y coordinate of the same I can find here. So this is how it works, and it provides the information from the inputs that we have given in the UI itself, in the block styler dialog itself. Now let's click on apply because I want to check it for some other hole or other point now. I will pick up this particular point. As usual, we'll give X and Y axis. X and then Y and then a face like this. Get the information. You see, I also got the information of this hole, but this time you can notice the X and Y coordinates are different. Okay, I would like to try it one more time with choosing some different kind of combination of inputs. So let's start again. This time, this hole X direction and Y direction. I cannot do much with that. I have to pick up as asked. This time I will pick up this space. So let's see what happens. It has given me an message. No whole feature found on this space. So this is the smartness that this is the smartness that this journal is having. So this is very good. So this is how this particular example works. I can go and select the face and then click on get information. This is how it validates and pick up the right information for us and provides that information in this custom dialog itself. So this is pretty good, interactive, and easy to try out kind of example. Definitely, you need to go in a VB file to understand the logic that is written here. So there is a lot of logic written here. So this is definitely you can go and read this piece of code. Maybe you can even go and debug so that you understand how all of these are brought together and how this functionality of this custom dialog is working. Okay, but really good example to try out. So that's it in this video. We'll catch up with you in the next one. Bye bye for now.